Were you tired of struggling with complicated design software? What if I told you that you could create stunning graphics in seconds without any design skills? Meet Napkin AI, your AI-powered visual assistant. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional quality graphics step by step. Fast, easy, and absolutely game-changing. Let's dive in. First, head over to Napkin AI's website and sign up for free. Once you're in, you'll see a simple and clean dashboard. No clutter, no confusion. Click New Project, and you're ready to start designing. Now, type in your text, idea, or concept. Napkin AI automatically transforms it into a structured graphic. For example, type, "How to start a faceless YouTube channel," and boom! You get a ready-made flowchart outlining the key steps. No more struggling with layouts. Napkin AI does it for you. Here's where the magic happens. Change colors to match your brand. Switch fonts for a unique style. Add icons and images to enhance your design. You can tweak everything with just a few clicks. It's design made easy. Once you're happy with your design, hit Export and download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF. Need to collaborate? Share a link with your team for instant feedback. No need for back and forth emails. And just like that, you've created a stunning graphic in minutes. Now it's your turn. Try Napkin AI, click the link in description, and see how it transforms your ideas into visuals effortlessly. Question for you. What kind of graphics do you create the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.